Good evening. All. Good evening. You are welcome to Tutorials with Fraternity the Schoolboy. Today we are going to take a look at review of our assignment on physics. And we have two new faces today. Well, our family is growing. That's good. We have two new faces, and for the sake of the people that joined us today, yesterday we did physics yesterday, and we did we are still treating units and measurements, and under the unit and measurement we discussed length yesterday, measurement of length. As you can see, she has cleaned it. We discussed use of meter rule and calipers and vernier calipers. And our tradition is that at the end of every class we give assignment. And as the assignment, the next day we review, we call it review. We review the assignments and see what we were able to achieve. But in that review, the students will come out and solve the assignment on the board. Then if there's any problem, we take, if there's any error, they will take the correction. So that's what we do here. And we also record our lectures. Because of how the place is, video, we will not be able to record videos, but to record the voice. So we try as much as possible to upload it on YouTube. And those that join the class, like those that join today, or those that miss the class, the best thing to do is to go back to the uploaded lectures and listen to them. It will help you to really know where we are and come up to our level. Okay? So I'm talking to those that join us newly, and those that miss one or two lectures. I'll drop the link of the lectures every day on our WhatsApp group. We have our tutorial WhatsApp group. I drop the link of their lectures every day there, so you can always listen. If you go to our YouTube channel, it's also arranged according to the subject. If you go to the playlist, you will see the subject. If you click on chemistry, you will see all the lectures so far in chemistry. So I'm saying this for the benefit of those that joined the class new, because we can be going back. If new person come today, we go back, bam. Another person come tomorrow, we go back, bam. We remain one place now, three of us. So we look for a way to help others, those that will join it. That's why we did that. That's why we record our lectures. But if you listen to the lectures and there is something you don't understand, you can always ask, drop your question, even in that WhatsApp group. So I'll add, at least we have two people now. After I put your number here too. Make sure that your WhatsApp line is there, so I can add you up there. You are there. How can you be in a group? You don't know that you're in a group. What type of phone are you using, sir? Okay, keep with you. Be going online, the world has changed. Data is life. Make sure you have data always, because it will help you in your studies. Data is not for TikTok. It's for your studies as a student. Okay? Ensure you use your data positively. Now let's continue. So today we gave an assignment yesterday on, I think 2, right? 2, right? We gave an assignment yesterday, 2 assignments. Oh yeah. Those that were in a class. Can see, oh yeah, come out here. Fast. Write the assignment on the board. Be fast about that. Take marker. Write number 1 first. Then let's take it off from there. Okay, the question says, our assignment review on physics. It says, number 1, the question says, which of the following physical quantities are derived? You have I, area. No, I don't think that something is wrong with that question. I don't think that's the question I detected yesterday. Check your work.
I think which of the following units of the following physical quantities are derived? Area.
Take our own and make correction, please. Also make correction in your own, please. Just compare her own with what you wrote and made the correction. Okay, which of the units of the following physical quantities are derived? A, area. B, thrust. C, pressure. I, area. I, thrust. I, pressure. IV, mass. Option A, I, and IV. Option B, please silence your phone, please. Option B, I, only. Option C, I, IV, only. Option D, I and I, only. Okay. So we are waiting for you. Solve for us. First of all, don't just tell me it's bio. You have to derive consider all their units, derive them for us before you can pick the correct answer. Derive them for us. Be fast about that. Are you done? Okay, let's see what we've got here. Area is what? Length times what? Width, which is length times. Okay, I agree with you that width is a measure of what? Length too. I agree with you. L square. Now, look at what the question says. The question says, which of the units of the following physical quantities are what? Derived. Now, having gotten to this level, I commend what you did here, but move it to units. So move it to units so that it will rhyme with what? Kilogram. You know, this is the dimension. Move it to units. So what should just put equal to? So what should it be? Good. So do it for the other ones. Trust, Nko. Well, what is trust? Chinaya, what is trust? You didn't check it up. How can you see a term you don't know? You did not check it up. Chibozo, what is trust? I see. Oh yeah, find out what is trust now. You could check it up now. Check it up now. People are not serious. How will you go? You didn't check your assignment you are giving. Then how did you Skamsi? What happened? How did you not do the assignment? You didn't check it up. I know the unit it has. What is unit of trust? What is even trust in the first place? Find out. Okay, did you check trust? What it means? What it actually means? No, you are looking at verb. Thrust as a noun, not verb. Yes, not verb. You can say thrust in physics. You can write THRUST in physics. You see, that's when you see the definition in physics, what it is in physics. You are defining thrust as a verb.
A force or a push.
In where? In what? In water or where? Where? Is it in water? Alright, so thrust is a what? Basically, is a what? Is a force. Oh yeah. Tell us, derive the unit for force. You know, I told you that force, Newton, the unit Newton was given to force because of the work of Isaac what? Newton. Am I communicating? So force has it is derived from force is force everywhere. It's Newton, it's still Newton. True or false? And so just do the formula for thrust, for force. That's all. From there, derive the unit for us. Don't tell me Newton. When our ordinary force, we know way to all these things are what? Force. True or false? So they should have the same what? Unit. Are you done? Oh yeah. Explain what you did. What's the answer? Velocity is velocity distance over time. What is it? Displacement. Correct it. It's speed. Speed is distance over time because speed is a what? Is what? Is a scalar quantity. It has no what? Direction. But force. But velocity has displacement has what? Direction. Is a vector what? Quantity. Oh yeah. You want to listen to you now? Talk to us. Okay. Okay. Okay.
So this mass, the unit of mass is kg.
Okay.
And this displacement
Is what? Is what? Unit of mass is kg,
and this displacement, the unit of length is in form of length.
So is what? Meter, okay.
Then time. This time is in seconds. So
Okay. Per second square. I agree with you. Oh yeah. Which one is the answer? Tell us what happened here, because some people, for the benefit of those that were not here, tell us what happened. Start from area. You are teaching us, so you are teaching us, so they want to learn from you. True of us? True of us? So speak out. Let's hear you. You're also teaching me too. Oh yeah.
Formula for area is length times width or length times breadth.
Okay.
And width is a unit of length because it also measures length. So
It's a measure of length, not a unit of length. It's a measure of length, okay?
So it's not the length times length.
Okay.
That's length square. Then
Okay.
if you put it in the units, not length square.
Okay. Okay, she explained this one, okay?
Formula for pressure is force over area, and force is kilogram meter per second square.
Which is this?
Yes.
Okay.
And area is meter square.
Okay.
So now the kg meter per second. Meter per second.
kg what?
Meter per second.
Meter. No, this is kg per meter per second square. Say it.
Kg per meter per second.
Now with this now, tell us, answer the question now. You have broken down all the units. So answer the question. Which one is the answer now? How is it be?
Because derived quantity, like that, there are quantity that formula, and you can do practically that formula.
Okay.
And according to this place, area has formula, cross has formula, pressure is formula, but it's not formula.
Okay.
It's fundamental quantity.
Okay.
So it's now add.
So the first three are what? Derived quantity. Why the last one is not a derived quantity? So the answer is what? B. The answer is what? B, because others are what? Area, thrust, which is a force, pressure, they are derived what? Quantity. They are derived from other quantities. That's why they are dependent on other quantities. That's why they are derived. They have a formula. Unlike mass is an independent quantity or fundamental quantity. It has no formula. So you cannot say this is a formula for mass. No. Am I communicating? So area, thrust, pressure are what? Derived. But mass is a fundamental quantity. So the answer is what? B. I think she's correct. Can we encourage her, please? That's good. China, come out here. Also, go to number. Okay. That's it. Writing. When they are done, you clean this thing and go to the second question. You can't tell me that the answer is 6.34. You have to explain to us why is 6.34. Shift that chair so it doesn't injure you. Then you shift that fire extinguisher. So tell us why the answer is 6.34 cm. You are blocking the board. Here is what? 6 cm.
So here, the calibration here is 0 point. On the main scale, we have.
Do you know where is the main scale? Show us where is the main scale.
This is the main scale.
Where?
Here they have C, the whole number. Everywhere the main scale to here. Then down here is the vernier scale.
Vernier scale, okay.
Yeah. So and the calibration on the main scale is 0.1 cm.
How is it 0.1 cm? Tell us.
Because this is 6. So 6.1. Here is 0.
First of all, you need to check the difference. Check what you need to calculate. Count the calibration there. Then count it. After counting the calibration, you find the difference between this 6 and 7. Then divide it before you can know what that small calibration is.
Yes, like 0.1.
How is 0.1? Prove it for us. We want to know how is 0.1. That is how to explain something on the board.
Okay.
I told you that you don't block board. Go by the side so that your students will see what you are doing.
Like that. Yes, like now this place is 6.
Okay.
So, and this place is 7.
Okay.
So, from here now, from that 6 to 7, the difference there is 1.
1 what?
1 cm.
Good.
So, for you to get the calibration,
Okay.
you divide that 1 all over 10.
Where did you get 10 from? The 10 you are using you say that 7 minus 1 is 6. 7 minus 6 is 1 cm. I agree. That 10, where did you get it from?
If I count from here to this place, now it's 10.
Okay. So you're dividing 1 cm. Put the unit there, 1 cm. By what?
By 10.
So that means each of these small one represent what?
0.1.
0.1 what?
cm.
Write it.
So 1 divided by 10 is 0.1 cm.
Then continue.
So, on this main scale, the calibration is 0.1 cm.
Okay.
So from here now, from 6 point, this place is 6 cm. So if we go here now, it will become 6.1 cm.
Okay.
6.2 cm.
Okay.
6.2 cm.
Okay.
Then we stop here that the main scale and the vernier scale coincide.
Where they consign? What are you saying?
But like
It's not where you consign, where the vernier scale starts.
Yes, where the vernier scale starts.
Have you noted down the main scale you calculated? The main scale reading is what?
6.3.
6.3 what?
cm.
Good.
So then where vernier scale starts here. So here now is 0. So here, for you to get the calibration of the vernier scale, you will divide the calibration of the main scale by 10.
Okay.
Then you get the calibration of the vernier scale, and the calibration of the main scale is 0.1 divided by 10.
Don't forget your units.
And 0.1 cm divided by 10, it will give you, it will give you 0.01 cm.
Okay.
So the calibration on the vernier scale is 0.01 cm. So we start from here that the vernier scale starts and counts. So each calibration here is 0.01. So here is 0.01, 0.02, 0.03, then 0.04, where the vernier scale and the main scale coincide. So that's where you will stop. So here we have 0.04 cm. So then the vernier scale is 0.04 cm. So you add the vernier scale and the main scale together to be 6.
You add this reading on the vernier scale. It's reading you are adding, not the vernier scale. You add the reading of the vernier scale.
Okay, cm plus 0.0.
You have this one. Are they aligned?
Yes.
Okay. Is this 6?
Yes.
Okay. So the reading is what now? 6.3. Is that what you got? Are you sure? Chibuzo, is that what you got? You did it. Let me see what you did. Show me what you did. Let me see. When did you do it at home?
Yes.
Good. So this thing is just talking about how to measure length using vernier calipers. Do you know how to do this? It's well. So this is how to do the readings with what? Vernier what? Caliper. A vernier caliper has main scale and vernier scale. Today is not physics. I don't want to go into it because we end up not doing what we have today. So, but just a review of our assignment. Please don't miss your classes. If you miss your classes, please go and listen to this lecture. Okay? Go to the WhatsApp group. If you don't have phone, I added your father there or your mother there. Ask them to allow you to have access to the group so that you see this lecture and do what? Listen to it, learn it. If you have a specific question, you can always ask me. All right. Please, I'm giving you a few minutes to write this in down so we can go to what we have today.